Hi friends, today we will discuss a very important topic, greed. Greed is associated with passion and perseverance. It's extremely required for success of any person. I feel great joy, great pleasure in sharing this information with you. I like it by heart. Greed is a positive non-cognitive trait based on individuals' perseverance of effort combined with passion for a particular long-time goal, stated in Wikipedia. Perseverance helps to overcome challenges that lie on the path of accomplishment and serves as a driving force. The more you persevere, the better it is for you to reach near to success. According to the Merriam-Webster dictionary, greed is the context of behavior. Greed in the context of behavior is defined as firmness of character, indomitable spirit, how firm you are to do a particular job, to what extent of indomitable spirit you show to complete that particular job. It's your strong willpower. It is your connection with the job. Angela Duckworth, based on her studies, tweaked it to be perseverance and patience for long-term goals. The constancy of tenacity is based on the degree to which you can assess, ignite and control it. Some important qualities that are associated with greed. As per Forbes, courage is observed to be positively associated and directly proportional to greed. Conscientiousness is most closely associated with greed than other four personality traits. What are the other four personality traits? In Big Five personality we have seen openness, extroversion, agreeableness, neurotic and conscientiousness. This conscientiousness is most closely associated with greed because it is objective oriented. What do you want to achieve? The goal orientation. Long-term goals and endurance help cultivate drive, sustainability, patience, courage, stamina, and that is great. So, these are the qualities which support greed. With this, resilience also is added. Resilience, optimism, confidence, and creativity. For Jolie, resilience is a dynamic combination of optimism, creativity, and confidence, which together empower one to reappraise situations and regulate emotion. A behavior indicator hardness or grit. Grit is showing your tenacity repeatedly, not leaving. Even if you fail, you will again try for it. So that time you are showing your resilience. What we are discussing. So all these things combine to show your attachment to your goal. Excellence versus perfection. Greedy people do not seek perfection. Rather, they strive for excellence, which is an attitude and not an end game. Because perfection is almost a myth. Perfection, there can be no end to perfection. Everything can be perfected again and again. So, develop a fascination on what you are going to do. In her book, Greed, The Power of Patience and Perseverance, Angela Duckworth has highlighted the importance of efforts over talent. Importance of efforts over talent. How it should be? What is effort and what is talent? By talent you can do something. But unless you show continuous effort, it is very difficult to complete it. She said, efforts count twice. Talent into effort is equal to skill. And skill into effect is equal to achievement. So grit is sustained application of efforts. It is sustained application of efforts towards long-term goal. With grit, you can be more than what you think is possible. Never quit trying. Grow to great. Never quit. Develop a fascination of what you are going to do. Improve daily, push your abilities, and see constant improvement. Daily discipline is more important. Practice Kaizen, small improvements daily. Remember yourself of your greater purpose. See the bigger picture in life. Adopt a growth mindset. I compete with who you are yesterday. You compete with yourself. How you are before and how you are now. So it is better that you should improve daily. Beat yourself with every practice. Abilities are not fixed. We have enormous capacity to develop, to change our brain and learn new skill. Brain is plastic. We have already studied that neuroplastic character of the brain. It can be developed and you can see your brain developing. And you can mold and build it with efforts and experience. Stick to learning new things continuously. Grit is more than talent. Try hard to do. Try hard to go on improving daily, continuously. Go forward being extremely intentional, with 100% focus, respecting feedback, continuous refinement. Spark your curiosity. Have stamina to go ahead. Failure is not a permanent condition. Possess growth mindset and ability to learn continuously. Thinking failure is part of the journey to excellence. Failure may come, but learn from the failure and go ahead. I have faced thousands of failures in my life. I was trying hard to get a job. I was not getting, but I did not leave. Trying again and again. After all, I succeeded to get a good job. I joined the paramilitary force and then it changed my life. I have heard how hard it is to join National Defence Academy, Pune. I have experienced how hard it is to join Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, India, and how challenging it is to continue there. Because I have seen during my paramilitary training basic course, it is extremely hard to continue. But I stood the test and I did not leave, I did not quit. Neither I did quit in trying for a good job, nor after getting the job. Although it was very hardcore training program and many of our colleagues left the job, but I stood the test. And ultimately I succeeded to qualify. In the passing out parade, I felt really extremely happy. Similarly, I have heard that the United States Military Academy at West Point admissions appears to be extremely selective and maybe with an acceptance rate about 11% only, with a lot of consideration on SAT score, SCT scores and others. And even after joining such a coveted job, many people leave, feeling it is too much challenging and unbearable. All these are good examples to show how grit is required for success. You will have to remain on the job. You will have to show your efforts continuously. Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. So effort is very much required. Great accomplishments do not depend much on integrity, on hard work. Great accomplishments require efforts, more and more efforts. It does not require much on ingenuity. This is said by American inventor Thomas Edison, who is always a great source of learning and inspiration for all of us across the world. So talent is required. Okay, talent is good, but side by side effort is very much required. Without effort, without continuous engagement, it is difficult to get success. As quoted by Edison and Ford, our greatest weakness lies in giving up. Never give up. The most certain way to success is always to try just once more, just one more time. As Swami Mukundananda has said in his recent book. Master your mind for 4 elements of greed, as learned from researcher Angela Duckworth's book. Number 1 is interest to be triggered repeatedly. Interest to be triggered repeatedly. Passion is felt in enjoying what you do. Your passion is felt in enjoying what you do. Capacity to practice daily discipline. Third is purpose, which depicts your work matters, why factor. And fourth is hope, which adds to the perseverance. Yes, I will be successful. No doubt in it, I will be successful. I will not leave trying, no doubt. I will keep trying. And that is the magic of getting success. Mastery is achieved one step at a time. Do not give up. Thank you. Wish you a good life.